Yeah. Mike T's in the shop when the city sleep. Blank shirts pile high, yeah, the grind that deep. From idea to print, he control every step. On game, free, no gatekeep. Breaking down plays for the ones tryna eat. Started with a vision and a plan that stuck. Now Krispy Printz dot shop, blowing up off trust. Mike T's press hot, never cool. Press king, yeah, that's the truth. From the shop to the screen, he teach non-stop. Krispy Printz dot shop, let the orders pop. Let the orders pop. Let the orders pop. Let the orders pop.
YO YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. This one's a little bit different, guys. I decided to mix the shoe culture with the fashion culture and come up with a one-of-a-kind idea. I'm making a Cleveland-inspired sweatshirt starring Shedeur Sanders. So if you're ready, let's get into this video. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, and if you're using a mobile device, please hype this video up. So first things first, you're seeing me actually fold the sweatshirt and get that prominent center seam line. Well, at least 3 to 4 inches away from the yoke of the collar. Once I make sure everything is aligned nice and neatly onto the heat press, I reach for my transfer. Now I was somewhere in this chaotic mess, and yes y'all, this is a mess. I was looking for my Shedeur Sanders back hit. Now back hit means it's simply going on the back of the actual sweatshirt. This other Shedeur Sanders is going on the front of the sweatshirt. I wasn't sure how I was going to place this at first, and I had pulled both of the transfers up to the sweatshirt to see which will look best on the front of the shirt. And that's when I decided the Shedeur Sanders that I'm looking at needs to be placed on the back, and the other one needs to be placed on the front. It just has that visual eye-grabbing, catching detail and that feel, something you should be greeted with. And I've got a visual of it so you guys can sort of get the feel for what I was looking for on this sweatshirt. Now I'm making sure that my heat press is getting up to 320 degrees, as I will press for 3 to 5 seconds. So the heat press is closed, down with the first press for that 3 to 5 seconds we originally talked about. And I'm just checking it to see if she's ready to be lifted. And there we are, nice smooth peel. Buttery soft as well. Look at how crispy this print came out. Sheesh. Moving on to the back, we're getting ready to rinse and repeat. Do the same exact step. Now notice that I didn't do a closing press. And to those, for their first time actually seeing somebody press direct to film transfers, you gotta do a 3 to 5 second tack press, followed by another 10-second press to close in the actual DTF into the fabric. That way it stays in there permanently. I was adjusting the transfer, I noticed that this would be a good opportunity or a chance to do a layering job with direct to film transfers. Well, how do I do a layering job with direct to film transfers? Here, let me show you guys. Now we have 2 different direct to film transfers, one up top and one on the bottom. The one that's up top or closest to you as I'm panning towards the bottom of the actual sweatshirt is a Cleveland, and it just has all the colors for the Cleveland teams. I thought the Cleveland on that Cleveland right there, that colorway, would be a nice addition to the actual sweatshirt. So therefore I put the Cleveland on the bottom as you see, and the other Shedeur Sanders over top of that, making it a layering job. Now you want to make sure you don't overlap any characters or print, because what you'll do is inadvertently tear the transfer by accident, and that would be bad for business, man. Notice how I'm taking my time to actually make sure that this is right, because once you do this and you accidentally tear it or rip it, there's no replacing it. Unlike vinyl, when the DTF transfer is severed or it's ripped, you can't just heat it over and hope that it'll go back the same way. That'll never happen. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I enjoy making videos like this for you guys. And if you enjoy it, please drop a comment below, let me know. Once again, I'm taking my time, just making sure that everything's aligned right, that my transfers won't inadvertently get out in the way. And I'm also measuring about 4 finger lengths away from the yoke of the collar. This is to make sure that it's at its prime, it's where it's supposed to be, as I envisioned it. So now that I have that first press down, I'm getting ready to actually lift the DTF transfers from off the sweatshirt. Starting with the Shedeur Sanders first as it laid over top, and then going in for that second peel with that Cleveland up top. So I just started my shoe journey on this YouTube channel, and I wanted to highlight some of the shoes that I have gotten throughout the years, as well as some of the new incoming shoes. Now, all the shoes that I do review on this channel are not mine. As you guys may know or may not know, I do have 10 children. So while I buy their shoes, I do shoe reviews over those as well. And that's what I'm getting ready to show you guys next, as soon as we're done with the closing press on this direct-to-film custom Krispy Printz sweatshirt. So here's the final reveal of the back side of that sweatshirt. To catch it in its full entirety, you need to visit me on all my social media platforms, as I do share a lot to TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, especially in my stories. And if you're wondering what that is, it's Mike Tees on all social media platforms. That's Mike Tees, MikeTees. In some cases, it's Mike_Tees, but nonetheless, Mike Tees. So this is another crispy custom down, and you see how I basically mixed and matched a couple of different direct-to-film transfers that I had lying around to make one awesome sweatshirt. Now let's move on to the shoe review. Mariah's showing us that soft pink metallic Jordan 5 Retro, the ones you guys slept on in 2025. The Air Jordan 5 Retro medium soft pink, also known as the 35th anniversary edition, was released on Saturday, October 11, 2025, featuring a soft pink upper with white and black accents, celebrating the shoe's iconic design. The Air Jordan 5 soft medium metallic features a reflective silver tongue, translucent outsole, and a classic Air Jordan 5 details. Part of the Air Jordan 5's 35th anniversary celebration, blending heritage with a modern pastel look. Like I had said earlier in the video, not all shoes that I do review and show on this channel will be mine, but they will be shoes that are from the family essentially, and I get a first look and I'm able to unbox and show you guys. So now we're getting ready to get into the on foot. What does it look like on feet? Check Mariah out as she laces up and gets ready to stand up to show you guys what's going on. By the way, I was in the studio working, y'all, so ignore the mess. I know it's a mess, but that just means your boy was in there gritting.
And more 2026 make me yours, cause I'm going into you with a clear mind. This year, I want it all, that's mine. New dreams, new goals, let's get it crash skin. Negative thinking ain't something I'm bringing back in. 2026, I'm cooking up a fix, getting my health right and my pockets tight. No procrastinating, I'm living my dreams. This year, getting my mind right, overcoming fear. Get into the chicken, watch it all add up. Anybody hating back, get back, cause I'm manifesting all things good, getting closer to the Lord like I should.
If you made it to this part of the video, you a real one, you a true one. Appreciate you, I thank you. Please don't forget to heart, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Y'all, I do this for y'all, and I really actually enjoy making these videos. So if you would like another custom mixed with a shoe review, drop a comment down below. Until the next one, y'all, I'm out.
Yeah. Mike Tees wake up with a plan and a press. Ink on his hand, still chasing progress. Custom t-shirts, clean lines, no mess. Every print tell a story past the test. From blanks to brands built from scratch. Watching ideas turn profit, the feeling unmatched. Camera rolling, game free for the class. Studios, breaking doors, knowledge passed.
Mike Tees in the lab, never taking days off. Krispy Printz shop where the vision stay raw. From tees to kicks, he play both sides. Create a mindset with a hustler drive. Mike Tees teaching while he learning too. Every new idea turn pressure into fuel. DTF Printz hitting colors so strong. Feel the fabric, yeah, the detail on point. Your dollar settings, getting textures right. Heat press, locked in every transfer tight. Scrolling for ideas, not wasting time. Studying trends, turning notes into grind. New methods, new hacks, new ways to win.
fit Prince cleaner, he locking it in.
Mike T's in the lab, never taking days off. Krispy Printz shop where the vision stay raw.